Hey, what's up? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. That's my personal blog where I have documented my journey, how I've gone from basically not making a full-time income to making a full-time income online, and how I've been doing it with this simple system for many months now. So definitely go over there and check that out if you're looking for something to create a full-time income with. I am super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my Power Lead System income proof for the week so far. It's not even a full week, but I'm going to jump right over there because I don't want to make this a super long video. So if you've been paying attention, watching my videos as of late, you know that we have a brand new product, and that product is called Master Traffic Institute. Now, I'm not going to go through everything here. Just know that we have different levels. For example, Gold pays $20 residual income. Diamond pays $100 over and over. Social Profit Academy pays $400 over and over. And Master Traffic Institute pays $1,000 over and over plus $200 override. So I'm just going to jump over to my commissions. And if you want a more detailed look at Power Lead System, I have many videos on my blog, paulgfarmer.com, that you can take a look at. And I really break it down and share with you what it's about, how it works, and why this thing is so powerful. So I just want to show you my results for the week so far. This is Friday, May 25th, and they added in the Master Traffic Institute commission. So you can see for this week so far, I'm at $4,657.50, which is a new high for me. I've never hit 4,000. So this is a new high for me with this program. I am just super excited about it because, for one, you know, those $1,000 commissions, they definitely add up, as you can see. I've had 3 of those. And then you get $200 overrides when your team makes, if they're at the Master Traffic Institute level, when your team makes those sales, you get $200, and one of these was a split pay. So that's $300 right there, plus everything else that comes with it. So, you know, you have the residual income, you have the diamond level, which pays $100 over and over. You have the Social Profit Academy level, and so forth. So this is a super powerful system that absolutely can change your life, no doubt. And really all we do is we run traffic, okay, paid and free traffic, to a funnel. So the funnel is a capture page, a sales page. This is already done. You don't have to create it. It's already done. We give you setup instructions. It doesn't take long to set up. Our team will even set it up for you for just $50 one time. And you will be up and running and ready to market and start earning. Now, there are a few guidelines I give, okay? There's a few guidelines I give to people starting out if you want to make a full-time income with this program and you want to do it quickly, you want to do it faster rather than slower, then this is exactly what you want to do, and take my advice here, okay? So I was able to create $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 weeks on a consistent basis for many months with these 3 levels, okay? The gold level is $53.97 a month. That's your only monthly. That's the only one for your whole business, $53.97. Of course, you want to add in marketing cost. Of course, you want to add in any third-party tools such as, like, say, Aweber. Maybe you want to use a tracking software. That's optional, of course, but that is what I do. Free ad secrets is $100 over and over. It's $147 one time. So all these bottom payments are one time. You pay one time. This is the only residual. It's $53.97. It doesn't take hardly anything to get this covered, so you're not paying it out of pocket anymore. And then you just get the one-time payments, and you get those done. And once you're done, you have everything, and you're positioned to make the most money. So for the longest time, we didn't have a $1,000 product. We do now. Obviously, the numbers are going to go through the roof now. Before, the highest anyone made with the gold, diamond, and platinum was just over $8,000 in a week, which is fantastic. But with this level on top of it now, we're going to be seeing weeks where people are hitting. I bet you we see 10K weeks eventually. Eventually, not right away, but eventually we're going to start seeing some people hitting 10K weeks. Hopefully that'll be me. But it will happen just because the way this is set up. But really, in a more reserved fashion, I'm going to say 3 to 5K a week is going to be very standard. It's going to be very standard, especially for the people running with this thing, especially for the people doing the simple tasks and staying consistent and being committed to this program. You're going to see 3 to 5K weeks on a consistent basis. That's just what I see coming. But there will be weeks where we do way better than that. But 3 to 5K a week, that's freaking solid. That's really good. That's more than most people make in a whole month. You're making in a week. So anyway, that's all I got. I didn't want to make this really long, so I'm just going to wrap this up. I do want to say just one thing before I close this out. We do give you, provide you with live daily training, teaching you step by step exactly what to do to grow this thing out to a full-time income. Okay, so we do provide you with that training. I also have a private group where I provide you with step-by-step, with daily training. I do daily training, and I break down my routine, and I show you how I'm able to create a full-time income online. I show you exactly what I do. I share my resources, what I use, what tools I use, what traffic I use. Everything I do, it's my baby. It's where I put my most of my energy is in that group. That's where I really do whatever I can to help you, because that's my goal. My goal is $2,000 a month in 6 months for you. But with this new product, when you go all in your business, when you go all in, when you make that decision, when you're ready to go, okay, I want financial freedom. I am not going to allow my fears. I am not going to allow my excuses. I am not going to allow anything to get in the way with that. And you get positioned best. Oh man, great things can happen. I'm telling you, your life could literally change within a month. Within a month, it could change. I mean, with $1,000 commission, are you kidding me? It could change that fast. So, of course, you got to be teachable. Of course, you got to apply action. And of course, I'm not saying it's going to happen in a month. I'm just saying it could happen. But more likely, let's give it 3 to 6 months. Let's just say 6 months to be safe. You give this, 100% energy. You do what we teach you to do in our training. You purchase all the products. Absolutely, you could be doing a full-time income. And that is super, super exciting. Okay, so anyway, that's all I got. I don't want to make this any longer. You have a great day. Check out my blog, paulgfarmer.com, to learn more about me, to see a whole lot more videos about Power Lead System, what it's done for me and my family. And I will see you on the next video.